Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing two windows and using the green full screen control. First, make sure both apps are open and not minimized. This matters because only visible windows appear. Then hover or click and hold the green button in the first window. Once thumbnails appear, pick left or right. This pins the first app. Once done, Mac OS shows remaining windows on the opposite side, so you can click the second app and enter split view, fast, stable, and reversible. Now you adjust and control the layout for work. You can drag the vertical divider to change how much screen each app gets. This is useful when one app needs more space. Make sure to use Command plus Tab to switch focus between apps without leaving split view. If you need to swap either side, use Mission Control or drag a different window into place. These controls let you balance visibility and workflow so both apps remain usable and responsive. To finish, click the green full screen button on either side to return apps to normal windows. This closes split view. If something goes wrong, make sure the app supports full screen mode. Some utilities or older apps do not. Also check displays in system preferences if windows look off. Scaling or external monitors can interfere. If split view won't engage, try minimizing and reopening the app or relaunch the app. Often a quick restart clears the issue and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.